Nyholm Falls is a place of breathtaking beauty that captivates the senses and leaves a lasting impression. As we stood before the majestic waterfall, we couldn't help but be amazed at the sheer power and grace of nature. The cascading water, glistening in the sunlight, creates a mesmerizing display of movement and sound. Nyholm Falls was not just a sight to behold, but also a place that evoked a sense of wonder and appreciation for the natural world. It was a melody that instantly transported us to a state of peace, allowing us to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life.
Tayo natikutin, digdig sa loob ng salamin, pansamantalang limutin ating kasalukuyan. Kapit ka lang sa akin, libutin natin mga bituin. Huwag ka nang mag-alanganin, dito ka lang at ako'y sabayan.